Zico is continuing with the team. What is the now we know how it is shaping up. What is the mandate you have given him?
Mandate is to play the best kind of football and every match win 3 points.
Any efforts to promote grassroots football
आमच्या आसा न्ही
where
आतां
we can
कार्ड्स नायडू
scout, we can actually get into scouting
कार्ड्स
players.
नायडू घेतला आमी कार्ड्स नायडू घेतला पळय सो ही इज प्लॅनिंग द यूथ डेव्हलपमेंट 16 schools are there so it is going very well you will see the results in a few years we will also try and get Zico involved in this program आता तो प्रेसिडेंटाचे रावला तो फिफाचे so if he doesn't go forward on that then we will involve him in this.
Business wise पळयतना what are the different opportunities you are seeing within this scheme? एक मर्चेंडायज जालें तुम्ही म्हणटा व्हडलो स्टेडियम जाय.
मेन ताजें आसा तें स्पॉन्सरशीप प्रमोट.
You are saying that the business will always remain dependent on sponsorship.
In any franchise, in any sports, the main thing is TV sponsorship and digital rights. Then local sponsorship, मतलब jersey and ground sponsorship. That will form the majority. Merchandise भी आसा पळय will be always very small. After that will come gate receipts. But Goa आमचं stadium ल्हान आसा so this. So we will continuously lose money for the next 5 years. Is what Baba and me have predicted.
But what is the break-even horizon you are looking at?
After 5 years. After 5 years, we'll break even, but we will not recover the losses of the first 5 years.
Correct. So that will take more time after that.
Yeah, it will take more time. It is like, having some people have some passion and say, okay, this is my money. I'm just putting in that. So it is that way.
एक गजाल IPL भितर आमी पळयलें गोंयाक काय कोण पळयलें ना कारण आमचे राज्यय ल्हान आमची लोकसंख्याय कमी कबड्डी लीग जाली गोंयाक कोणेच पळयलें ना टेनीस जाली बॅडमिंटन जाली गोंयाक कोणेच पळयलें ना फुटबॉल बींग द बिगेस्ट स्पोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड गोंयाक पळयलें हाऊ डीड दॅट हॅपन आय हॅव हर्ड दॅट बोथ ऑफ यू एंड बाबा you were very much instrumental in getting a franchisee for Goa. Initially, Goa was not on their map.
No, Goa was always there. No. Goa was always there.
Always there.
Always.
Okay.
कित्याक तूं पळयल्यार सुद्दां आतां टोटल नंबर ऑफ इंडियन प्लेयर्स आसा आय थिंक 180 किंवा 200 तातूंतले 35 काय 40 प्लेयर गोंयकार सो इट इज अ ह्यूज पर्संटेज तूं 1.5 million म्हणटा गोवन्स
But the
आउट ऑफ
amount of
पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ 1.2 billion.
Correct.
Right? But the number of footballers in the at the national level or at that auction level तुवें जर पळयत right from let's say Brandon to Pratesh आणि बाकीचे it's a huge number plus you add Romeo and all so almost 35 out of say 200 so it's a huge 18 to 20% is 15 to 20% is goans out of football but if you take that if you take 30 goans or 35 goans out of 1.1 billion, it's a huge number.
It's a huge number.
So Goa has, and Goa कितले clubs आसात? Salonकार, Dempo, Churchill, Sporting.
Yeah.
There are so many clubs.
But where do you see these clubs in when ISL takes such a strong standing when it comes to football and football game in India?
Quality of football is नहीं. You see, the people want quality of football. They want a certain level of football, which ISL is giving.
तुम्ही एक गजाल म्हणली one team, one dream.
Aye.
Has that made the biggest difference? That there is one team where everyone can rally behind.
This is the idea of all the clubs worldwide, nahi? That you rally behind one club. Nahi? Why should you have so many clubs?
In one state.
In one state? Goa should have one club. But of course, for historic reasons, there are so many clubs. So that's why you can have both the things functioning.
Correct.
You can have ISL functioning, you can have I-League functioning.
Can we have I-League functioning in next 5 years or next 10 years? Where do you see the future?
I think both can function. Both can function, but they have to improve the level. Now the trend is some clubs are dropping out of I-League. The Bharat FC,
Correct.
Pune, they are dropping out. So I don't know what is the reason. So everybody goes where there is viewership. It is the 4th highest attended
league in the world.
Yeah. So that speaks wonders.
Correct. पण त्या परिस्थिती भितर तुमकां दिसता आय लिगाक भवितव्य आसा काय अल्टिमेटली इट इज आय लीग ताची आज 3 महिने ती फाल्यां 6 महिने जातली 8 क्लब आसात ते 16 क्लब जातले व्हॉट डू यू थिंक
काय कळना इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द क्वालिटी ऑफ द टीम्स how they project them, market them. It is all on quality नाही आता आमची जर quality down झाली कोण योजना नाही रे.
बरोबर.
See, the idea is you cannot force people. People have choices.
करेक्ट.
Either they'll want to watch you or they will not want to watch.
करेक्ट. तुम्ही म्हणतात की ही क्वालिटी जर मेंटेन केली देन वी कॅन लुक ॲट मोर टीम्स इन द सेम
Quality,
फॉर्मॅट.
infrastructure पड़े. For ISL, the infrastructure is top quality.
करेक्ट.
तू स्टेडियम्स पड़े, लाइटिंग पड़े, प्लेयर्स रूम्स पड़े,
हय.
बाकीचे सगळे फॅसिलिटीज पळय टॉप क्लास. क्वालिटी ऑफ प्लेयर्स टॉप क्लास, कोचेस टॉप क्लास, marketing top class,
Correct.
TV coverage, analysis.
Yeah.
So once you have that, obviously people are going to
People are going to get.
watch and get converted.
Where do you want to see ISL in next 5 years? How many teams? How many cities?
I'm happy with this number of teams. Maybe one more month would be better.
But you are saying that right now let's stick below 10.
Below 10.
Yeah, that is the ideal format.
8 is fine. 8 is fine.
Yeah, right now you are looking at.
Happy with 8 because more the teams, more the. See, if you have more, it will extend longer.
Correct.
So we don't have the
That kind of infrastructure.
infrastructure and resources also. You lose more money.
Yeah. So right now, till the money equation settles,
Money
it's better to
equation,
stick
yeah,
to
and
this.
also logistics there.
Correct.
See, players on your load etlo. Are you going to do one more month?
Correct.
If it is one more month, I don't mind.
Yeah.
If it is in only this month, then it is a problem.
Correct. Correct.
आताच ट्रॅव्हल प्रॉब्लेम जाता.
बरोबर.
आता आमची मॅच गुवाहाटी 2 दीस ट्रॅव्हलला खूप वतात.
Yeah.
So it's not easy
not
on the
easy.
players.
एक गजाल आसा लास्ट सामकी फायनल गोंया भितर आसा आनी गोवा जर फायनलीक पावलो आनी सगळ्यांची मतां पावचो आनी जिखचो म्हणून आर यू प्रिपेर्ड टू हँडल दॅट सिनारियो इन द स्टेट व्हेरी फ्रँकली.
I am prepared to do anything which is required to be done to have FC Goa play the final and win the final. Nothing is beyond me.
ready to handle.
We have to work hard, ne Pramod. You will also help me, nahi?
Absolutely, everybody will.
Which
help you.
Goenkar will not help?
Right, we all want to help you, and
अशी आम्ही पॉझिटिव्ह पळोवंक जाय
and we
की
hope
कितें आसा आमी काम करतलेच आनी हाडटलेच
Absolutely.
आनी जिखतलेच म्हणून.
that is what we
That
all
is our
want.
dream, न्हय? One team, one dream.
One
येत
team,
नाही रे?
one dream. आणि तुम्ही टाइम काढलो इतलं बिजी शेड्यूलांतल्यान इंटरव्यूला.
Thank you,
It was
Pramod.
pleasure talking to
Thank
you.
फुल सपोर्ट ऑफ FC गोवा कलांगूट.
सो मॅची पयली हाजे पयली
सगळे पयल्या
हाजे फुडले सुद्दां पयतलो.
हे सगळे पयतलो.
मॅसेज टू कोर्सा गोवा.
हां गोंयच्या खातीर आमी आमचे FC गोवाक लागून आमी सदले गेमी आसता तेन्ना सदांच आमी वयता सपोर्ट करता सगळे आमचे कलांगूट ग्रूप आनी आमकां चड लायक जाता आमच्यो कलांगूटच्या लोकांक सगळ्यांक आनी आमचो सगळो फूल सपोर्ट आसता आमच्या ग्रावंडाचेर. सगळे डेकोरेशन केलां आमचे FC गोवाचे बिकॉज ऑफ फूल सपोर्ट आमचो कलांगूटचो.
फुटबॉल खेळटा मरे.
हय
आनी म्हाका दिसता तसलेच सायडी सुद्दां तुवें FC गोवाचो
हय हय लोक FC गोवाचे केलां आमकां चड आमकां लायक आहा FC गोवा. आमी सदांच सपोर्ट करतले वर्सा FC गोवाक.
आनी ह्या फावटी फायनल जिखपाक जाय.
जिखोंकूच जाय हाल्या सपोर्ट आमचो आहात आमचो क्रोकोडायल बॉयज ऑफ कलांगूट
फूल सपोर्ट.
फूल सपोर्ट.
कामाक वयतलो काय?
ना कामाक ना.
ओके सो ही गाडी खंय वयता थंयसर घेवन वयता.
हय हिंसर वयता सर हीच गाडी घेवन येता कलांगूट आनी हिंसर पणजे म्हापसा मडगांव आमी सगळ्याक भोंवता वचून.